And today's choice is...
Ooh, chocolate there. With beans, ooh, hold the line there. With eggs, oh dear. Didn't see that one coming.
So, here we
Go. This is going to be a blooming hot. Oh, hello. I'm going to go in a bit. Got my can just there. Oh, well, that was cold. Not. Ha! Anyway, I'm going to polish this off. Well, I was trying to get my head around how the ruddy heck someone did the Ghost Rider bike with flames and skull as a Corvette on No Man's Sky. I hope you're all having a good day, and I shall see you soon. Bye!